everyone, my name is Laika Jane S. Yongo from BS Green 1.2. Today, we're talking about Sustainable Development Goal number 4, Quality Education. A goal meant to ensure inclusive, equitable learning and lifelong opportunities for all. It means every child gets free primary and secondary schooling, gains future-ready skills, and no one is left behind because of gender, wealth, or background. Education is so much more than just classroom and lessons. It's what brings communities together, builds respect for different cultures, reduces prejudice, and helps us pass down our traditions and wisdom from one generation to the next. In everyday life and work, quality education makes a huge difference too. It helps employees learn new skills and keep up with technology, so businesses and industries can grow and innovate. For communities, educated people make better decisions leading to better health, stronger local economies, and more activity citizens. Technology also plays a big role. Online learning and digital tools now bring knowledge even to remote places, breaking down barriers that used to keep people from learning. Here's something powerful. More than 170 million people worldwide could escape extreme poverty if every adult had basic literacy skills. We also see that countries with higher literacy rates always have stronger, more stable economic growth. This shows education isn't just a right, it's one of the best investments we can make in people and our shared future. This infographic reminds us that when we support quality education, we're building fairer, more peaceful, and more prosperous societies for everyone. Thank you.